my YouTube channel. National High School Dance Drill Winter Tournament. Cryo Show team wins in the drill Pogan category with the medium formation. Gahako Lishkiva takes second place into the category. The National High School Dancer Drill Winter Tournament was held on 13 and 14 and the Misharo Forest General Sports Plaza in Chofu City, Tokyo. Among the Fukushima Prefecture teams, Korea Shoichi Loading team win the medium formation in the drill pong category. In the drill pong category, perform that combination dance and direction using the pop will be evaluated. Korean Chemical had 18 players in the medium formation, which usually consists of the 11 to 19 players, and showed off their candidated movements. Captain Havana Nwangi said happily she estimated the result of the training and performed well, matching each note.